Oh, what color is your money? Green, right? That is, of course, if you have cash in hand and not a debit card. But either way, your money takes on a different hue when it comes to your investment. So here to explain, we have our friend Cory Sickles, president of Safe Harbor Retirement Group. Good to see you, Cory.
Glad to be here, Robin.
All right, so this starts by helping your clients, first of all, kind of determine how to handle their assets. So what does that mean?
Well, one of the things that everyone tries to do is they try to build their retirement assets so they can use it later on in life. But one of the most important things that you really can do is make sure you're allocated the correct way based upon your risk tolerance. So one of the things we sit down and go over with our clients is what we call the color of money process.
Okay, so let's talk about that because red money exists. What is that and what does it mean?
So red money just basically means it can go up and down with the market. So if you're invested in stocks, mutual funds, variable annuities, anything that can go up on a daily basis and there's risk involved, that's really what we're talking about red money.
Okay, what do you want, I guess, when it comes to red money? Do you want a lot then? A little bit? Does it depend?
One thing that you'll probably find out is, I'm 50, so I'm probably going to be a little bit more aggressive than someone that is 65 or 70. So one of the things that you want to do every year is make sure you're allocated the correct way, just to make sure you don't have too much risk within your portfolio based upon your risk tolerance.
Okay, so then let's go into yellow money. What does that mean?
So yellow money, one of the things that we do at Safe Harbor Wealth Advisors is we manage clients' portfolios. So it's still invested in the market, but now you actually have someone that is actually managing, your assets based upon, market conditions, and that's really what we're really talking. So it's yellow, meaning it can go up or down, but at least now you have a professional management, which is what we do.
Okay, so that's where you lie. And then green, that's good. It sounds right?
That's correct. So green money basically means it's going to be worth no worse than the exact same amount that it's worth tomorrow.
Okay.
Right? So one of the things
stable.
That's correct. So based upon your risk level, you're going to have a combination of red, yellow, and green money.
So when you talk about this too, I guess, is there a specific formula or is it just based on age?
Well, one of the things that we do is you can actually go out to our website. We have what we call our color of money risk tolerance. And it's 11 questions, very simple, but at the end of when you take that little survey, it's going to tell you what your risk score is.
Okay.
So, am I a balanced investor? So balance means I might have 60% stocks, 40% bonds. Or, maybe I'm a little closer in retirement or I am retired. Now you might be more like conservative growth, so maybe about 20 to 40% of your assets are actually in the, red or yellow money.
And I think it's interesting. So when you mention, things should change and maybe every year you should kind of reassess this. Do people do that often on their own? Is that where you say, hey, you should have somebody kind of looking at your portfolio for you because that's going to be something they need to worry about?
That's correct. So one of the things we do for our clients is, we manage the money that we can manage.
Okay.
But also we have to work with them. They might be still contributing to 401ks and things. So this is a good time if you really think about it. The market's up 20% this year.
Okay.
So let's just say you were balanced the right way in January. Naturally now you have more risk involved because the stocks have went up, and it's a good time to go in and reallocate to make sure that it's still meeting your risk tolerance, levels.
And then other people too, they have different goals. They have, different things that they're looking for into retirement. So do you have to put all of that into consideration? If they're saying, I want to take a giant trip every year, or I want to do this,
That's exactly right. So, we take your color of money, we make sure you're allocated the correct way. Now you're kind of getting into more financial planning.
Okay.
And one of the things that we try to do with all of our clients is review that every year. Not only your risk tolerance, but your financial plan. Do I need to take more money out? Am I going on that vacation that I've always wanted to do, or whatever that might end up being? Or I need a new air conditioner or new roof, or you have a lot of things that come up, and it's always good to be able to sit down, meet with me, and be able, to make sure that we're taking it out of the right investments.
Out of the right places.
That's exactly right.
All right, Cory, so you also can help people, of course. You can give them that complimentary color of money report, right, when they fill out that questionnaire.
Yeah, so if you actually go on our website, fill that questionnaire out, and then you can give us a call or go to our website too, and you can schedule a complimentary meeting with me.
Okay.
We can review that report for you, and then we can also make sure that you're allocated the correct way as well.
So if you have any questions, a great time to just kind of sit down too and see what all that means, because if people have never had a financial plan before, you definitely need one.
That's correct. That's
Lots of terms out there. All right, so give Cory and his team a call, phone number, website, all that good stuff on screen. Thanks, Cory.
Thank you.